Wow. 1, 2, 3. Morning, beautifuls. Breakfast today? Want some breakfast today? Who's the fluffy one on the side? Is that Amelia? Oh, and you're fluffed up now too. Mum's fluffed up and Dad's fluffed up. Bye, Amelia. He never stays. But you two cute kids. Sharky? Oh, hungry, mate. What about you, Mum? You want some? Oh, and 2 cockies up there. Hey. If you bring me a gift. If you bring me a gift. Is that for me? Does he bring me some seeds this morning? Thank you. Who wants to see first? Well, they don't like the camera. Alright, I get the message. Wrong camera. I have to go back to the mobile phone. When I usually come out, I carry the mobile phone. Oh, could be quicker, Cheryl. Well, she's fluffed up like she wants to see me. But, and Gary's just turned up. Yeah. Come on. Quick, someone's coming. I'll leave him here on the letterbox. Hey, Sharky. You're a beautiful boy this morning. Oh, you're a beautiful boy. Here comes Wendy with the morning coffee. Gary! Hi, Gary. Sharky. How much can he fit in his beak? Oh, quite a bit apparently. Surely that's going to have to do, mate. I found out yesterday that he'd pick some up and then he'd go and hide it in the garden. Morning, Wendy. Merry Christmas to you and Hugh. Merry Christmas to you and Hugh.
You too, yes.
Have
Staying home or...
Yeah, quiet one with the birds today. This week.
Yeah, we're a bit like that. Everybody's coming to us, so yeah.
Excellent.
Oh, good. Yeah, we've attracted our cockatoos back again.
Oh, beautiful.
Yes.
Lovely to hear.
Oh, well, he gives them blueberry biscuits. He's got a claw that he can give them the biscuits, in their hands.
Nice. That's beautiful.
Oh, good. Anyway, you have a lovely Christmas. I hope that it won't be too...
Yep, same for you. Blessings, dears. Bye-bye. Those guys are nice. Well, this camera won't work with the birds. So it's been a lovely morning. Got to meet Sharky and Cheryl. And the sun looks great. The yard looks beautiful. The flowers are all good. We have to go and change cameras. So while I've got you here, I'll say Merry Christmas, blessings and best wishes to you. And for all those that are out there running amok around the world, I say good luck to you and enjoy yourselves. And for all yous not doing so well that are laying in hospital beds, like a couple of my mates, look after yourselves and know that there's people out here thinking of you and wishing you well. And I hope your Christmas goes smoothly. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, best wishes to all of you. Have a good one. Have a great day. Stay safe. Don't drive too quick. But find a way to enjoy yourselves. Alright, love and hugs and best wishes. I think that's Emilio. He won't stick around. You're not sticking around, or are you sticking around? Okay, no, I'm wrong. Cheryl, I have some seed for you guys. It is you, is it, Cheryl? I'm sorry, it is Cheryl, yeah. Let's put some seed down for these guys. Yeah. Yeah, I know. And down here. Righto, they're sorted. How about you, darling? No. Facing back to... Oh, she's turned around. Maybe she's hungry. You hungry this morning, sweetie? Have a crispy treat? I've got to take my thongs off. She doesn't want my thongs. Very special, aren't you? Yeah. She's not sure about this camera. She has worked with it before. She's not a big fan. I know. Oh, Mr. Cock. Oh, Cranky's still up there. Hello, Captain. You coming down? Well, for you. There you go. You're welcome. I love you. What about this big one here? You're welcome. Oh. He says hello. Oh. Thank you. When she fluffs up like that, that's her way of saying hello, up, and goodbye. Maybe that was her way of saying goodbye. Oh. That's Dad up there watching. I'll leave some stuff here for you, Dad. Yeah, Dad. Hello? Oh, you up there, Captain. I didn't see you. Morning. Morning. This is a great way to start the day. Sit down with a cuppa, watch the sunrise, see the birds, see a couple of heads peeking over. Hello, Captain. Hello, Louise. You coming down for some seed? I bought you some. I bought you some seed down here. Look. Come on down. The greenies will share. Probably not. They're strong. Little baby sitting in the middle. Hello. Must be Mum and Dad. Hello. Probably going to get a few of these today. I put a bit of honey out for them yesterday. And baby asking for food. Look, he's a cutie. Noisy, but a cutie. Yeah, I'm sorry. I was talking to you guys, wasn't I? I was saying how beautiful I think you are. Yeah. Then when you get some special seed for you, do you? So funny when their heads peer over the edge. Well, you want to get some for you. Oh, sorry. Oh, the baby. Hello. Come on. Come on. Uh-oh. G'day, Merry Christmas. How are you? I'm just recording a little video. Is that alright? Hello, beautiful. Hello.
You've just been having fun over at the dog park with the other greyhounds?
Excellent. Beautiful morning. Gosh, it's a beautiful morning.
It is.
Hello.
Scared all your birdies away.
Oh, they come back pretty quick.
Yeah.
I've got some food here for them, so they'll be back. Have a great Christmas.
Have a great Christmas.
Thank you. See ya. What I do in the mornings. This is distilled water with a little bit of milk, and then some organic honey, a little dash of that, a pinch of Celtic sea salt, a little dash of that. It takes the bitterness out of the coffee. We have organic cacao. We have a 7 mushroom powder blend. This is the bomb, mate. Amazing. Organic coconut oil. A great amount of that. Goes beautiful. That's what you can have in instead of coffee to kickstart your day, or in if it's Christmas, maybe some organic freeze-dried just to top it off. I've been off the coffee for a little while. I've been sleeping amazing. It's been going really well. But you know what? Today, I just feel like a coffee. So I'm not saying don't have coffee, but you don't have to have it every single day. I can tell you that this is one of the tastiest mixes you can ever come across. Excuse me while I do. Oh, right. Where was I? And then a little bit of that and that, so I can hear some guys in the distance. Let's go and say hello. Actually, yeah, these guys. Hello. Good morning. Yeah, I'll put these here for you. Honey? Morning, Lee. Merry Christmas. Birdie's going to come back. Come on. You want some breakfast? Oh, Sharky. Morning, Sharky. He's got the funniest laugh. Sorry guys, I just want to get past to feed Sharky for a second. I know. What do you think? And that's Mum up there. Alright, this is there's just some Christmas mints to get you by until the cashews come back. They're 2 regulars. Some mints today? Well, he's a bit jumpy. Yeah. What? Ah, I was saying yesterday that trying to teach him to say, Sharky, my name's... Oh, here's Mum. Hello. Cheryl. Cheryl Crow. Baby Sharky. I was trying to teach him yesterday to say Stefan. Right. Sharky, my name's Stefan. Very pleased to meet you. Cheryl says, nah, don't want no part of that dodgy looking camera hanging from your neck. I understand. Sharky, sometimes he stays, sometimes he doesn't. I'll ask you, do you mind if I video you, Sharky? Pass it out nice and gentle. There you go, good boy. Looks like it's me and you today. You're getting all the feed. Where you going, mate? Alright, I'll put it on the letterbox for you. The letterbox for you. Are you giving it a wash? You're a good bird. Oh, hello, darling. Yeah, I'm going to go for a walk, so I'll put it on the letterbox. Oh, look at you fluffing up. Beautiful. You want any more? Here, I'll leave it here for you. You alright? Come on, Sharky. Come on, darling. Come on. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Up here, come on. Come on. All the way down there. How about I just leave it on the letterbox for you? Deliveries on the letterbox? Nah, he's aiming to fly off. Too scared this morning. And who's this coming? Emilio or? That looks like Emilio. Anyway, on the letterbox for you. Oh no, yeah, I still got this camera. I don't know how the lining up of the image goes with this one, but I'll try. Wanted to give you a look at that it's not always easy feeding these birds. Sometimes they accept it, sometimes they don't. I always ask, can I video you? Can I video you today? Sometimes she flies off. Sometimes she stays. You're going to stay today, are you? Thank you. That's Sharky in the distance. Down having a look in the dog park. You coming up for any food, Sharky? You can see I've got more, can't you? I have. Oh, I'll leave it on the letterbox. Do you know what they do? I saw just recently is that they'll come and get a beak full, and then Sharky went and hid it in the garden and put some leaves on top of it, like stashed it. Emilio, I've left some on the letterbox for you, man. Here, Emilio. All yours. Yeah, they stash it and they dig it up later. So they'll come and get a feed over and over for a bit and then hide it, and then eat it through the day. Clever birds.